clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth from my roots and weeds. My dude bleeds right back in the arm. I'm scarred, but I left my mark. My friend got